You're watching One to Step YouTube channel, a channel where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can remove your bank account on your Cash App. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm gonna be showing. But remember this, once you remove your bank account from your Cash App, you can no longer send your money into that bank account from your Cash App, as well as withdraw money from that bank account into your Cash App. So you need to keep that in mind. But in the future, you can add it whenever you want to, alright? It's not like a one-thing thing, like once you remove it, you can never add it. It's not like that. You can add it whenever you want in the future, alright? So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you in order to remove your bank account from your Cash App. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, Want to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's move on. First step, you want to click on a profile picture looking icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on it, you want to click on where it says linked banks. Once you click on linked banks, your bank account which you have linked on your Cash App is going to be shown over here. So mine says account, the second option from over here. So I'm going to click on it. Once I click on it, at the bottom these three options is going to pop out, and from these three options you want to click on where it says remove. Once you click on remove, your bank account will be removed, alright? But if you click on replace, then it's going to ask you to enter your new bank account detail, because after you enter your new bank account, the older one will be removed. But we just want to remove our bank account, so we want to click on remove and it'll be easily done, alright? So yeah, that's basically how you guys can remove your bank account on Cash App. So if you guys found our video helpful, then consider hitting that like and subscribe to our channel Want to Step for future videos like this. If you guys have any question relating this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day and peace out.